So I'm actually at my hotel here at Hotel Caesar, and I'm going to go down and visit the Our Lady of Guadalupe and see that cathedral, Catholic Church. I'm on Revolution, so I'm going to make a little walk and head down and visit this church. This is like the main road here in Tijuana. And there's a lot of traffic. Kind of throwing a little bit of a walking tour in on my way to the Catholic Church. Now there's a lot of Catholic Church here. I'm just going to this particular one because it's nearby. And you can see the arch up there. You cannot miss that. I was almost going to stay at that hotel, and I changed my mind. If you want to know what a typical intersection looks like here in Tijuana, take a look. Plenty of pharmacies. So you got these typical vendors around. See? Lots of shirts, blankets. And we're coming back up to the arch again. So I'll take this this way down, and it'll get me down to the Our Lady of Guadalupe. Very beautiful Mexican area right here. Vendors are now just getting set up. I'll come back here later. I just love that Mexican music. Plenty of hats. It's called The Boys. Pretty good. I'm going to the Our Lady of Guadalupe.
Oh, good idea. The next corner.
It is feast day.
Yeah.
Gracias. I will come back.
Coming back.
Yes. I'm a YouTuber. Yes.
All right. Excellent.
Yeah.
All right.
I'll be back, sir. Thank you. What is this one called? El Gallo. All right. Well, thank you. Gracias.
You're welcome.
Got some open vendors. These pomegranates, and that looks like a cherimoya. On the across the street. Very crowded. And this is Our Lady of Guadalupe. reached the Our Lady of Guadalupe. You can see right behind me. And it is a very festive atmosphere because it is feast day. And we're going to go inside and visit. It is very, very busy. And then we'll go check out what's going on over here.
Una ayudita, por favor.
Muchas gracias. Light a candle for my frogman buddy Lee Bacchus.
Mientras no haya celebración, es decir, entre una misa y otra, con confianza pueden tener bailables, danzantes, música, mientras no se entorpezcan unos a otros hasta antes de las 12.
Now it's time to go back and edit this video. You know, if you like this type of content, please hit the like button. It really does help my channel out. I travel to a lot of places, and I'm now here in Mexico. I promised I would come back.
Thank you, sir.
Oh yes, how about right here?
Right here.
Yes, right here at the open. Mexican restaurant here. I promised this fella I'd come back to it. It's right across from the McDonald's, so I passed him twice today, and I totally promised I'd come back, and I don't let my word down, and gonna get some good Mexican food here.